Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to Vince Vlog. So for today's video, I need to clean my room and arrange for everything. And also I have some project here. I need some, load bank additional control from here inside. So I don't need to go outside to put the load, so I have in control full of the load bank, so I'll just wire it from here. So we're doing that one for today. So for a while I'll just arrange those things that necessary to be arranged in this room, so at least we can make it good looking. So let's start. Guys, we were going to prepare the lights and the switches for this, and then we will do the wiring. So first thing, I will just arrange the light things for this. So at least we will finish these things. I think it's better to to have a make some wood from here, so we can do it like that. It's okay, I think. Yeah, so we're done for the light, and now we're going to put the switch, and we're going to put for this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Santos, kami finish, hindi na finish, sorry. So guys, we're going to test now what we are going to do with our load bank. That time we are do the wiring. So now we're going to test if this one is working, and now we're going to put the load test for this one. So this one 400, look. So I'll put this one. So now it's given the load. So we'll add it more. So meaning to say it is working, perfectly working. And yeah, so here as you can see, inside is still not yet arranged properly, but later on we were going to arrange this one. But I will just show you a little bit. We have in control with the pan, and we are in control with the voltage here and the current. You can monitor also from here for our current, but I did not yet install for the current, so we can monitor the voltage over here, and the voltage neutral and the voltage line. So we can monitor also the frequency, but the rest of that is not yet fully installed. So you can see also the monitoring from here. So 100% working. So now I'm going to remove the load. I will check all this one is working. Yes, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. So it's working all. So let's cool down this one. For example, I will do the auto this one. What will happen if the breaker is fan motor will off? And let's see. Yeah, it's trying to cool down the fan, and now it's shutting off already. So it's perfectly working, and we can monitor over here. Everything is fine. So we are done for our wiring for our load bank, so we can control over here.